Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making shrimp fettuccine. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 box of fettuccine, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 shallot, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1.5 cups of white wine, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and fresh parsley to garnish. To a large pot of water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then bring your water to a boil. Now add the fettuccine and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, turn off your heat, drain, then set it aside until later. To a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now add your shrimp. Add your remaining 2 teaspoons of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Allow your shrimp to cook for 3 minutes, then set them aside. Add your butter to the pan, then saute your shallots for 1 minute. Now add the garlic and continue sauteing for an additional minute. Add your wine and heavy cream, then bring to a light simmer. Now add your cheese and stir until it has well incorporated into your sauce. Now add the shrimp and fettuccine to the pan, then toss until well combined. If you would like a written version of this recipe, please visit my website. I have provided a link in the description below. Now garnish with your parsley and it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft